Welcome everyone, thank you for being here. Today I'll be showing you an experiment to see the impact of several context files to perform the same task. So let's talk about context files. Gemini.md, Claude context file is ClaudeMD. Many different teams adopted many different strategies. A lot of studies have come up where people have assessed the impact of those context files. And this one made a big hit. One of the main conclusions is that a lot of people said that we should stop doing the init command. I'm going to try my own experiment on that. I wanted to try it for the technology that I'm comfortable with, which is Flutter. I wanted to use Gemini as well. I came up with 6 variants of context file. I picked one very precise task that I chose from an open source project. We're going to see the tokens that were used, the completeness of the task, and the number of requests that were made only for Gemini because I couldn't figure out how to do for Claude. So the very first 2, they are coming from Google, they are coming from the Flutter team. 2 are coming from Sphere. One variant, it's coming from init, of course. And the last one, no context file. So this is the summary. Next step, choosing the project and the task. I went from this commit right here and I asked an AI agent to say, okay, see those files right here, write me instructions to perform this task. And this is what the instruction that I gave to the agent. So I went on a lot of sessions, either with Gemini or Claude, and so my 6 context files in parallel. This is all of the branches that I created at the end, so 120 total. But this is what we are going to be analyzing a little bit more in detail today. So some of the conclusions is that the init version and the no context file version, they had double flipped results. The Flutter team, so the Google team, comprehensive rules, overall they were better than the small ones from the same team on Gemini, but both were bad on Claude. And the ones from a company, they were both bad on Gemini and good on Claude. We can go much deeper. The ecosystem surrounding agents, context engineering, and prompt engineering, it's so large, and the context files are maybe one of the very first things that we learn when we're just trying out AI agents. But yes, we can go much further and study a lot more tools